Assalamu alaikum, this is Moeed Pirzada. But this is not a vlog. So if this is not a vlog, what is this? This is an appeal and a request to all of you. Anyone who's watching this, who's listening this, the appeal is, the request is to join this English channel Iconoclast with Moeed Pirzada. Now, I will talk a little bit about the content, but first of all, let me explain why the need for an English channel. The idea of an English channel had been with me for quite some time. I have mentioned it in several of my vlogs. I've discussed it. Many of you, in hundreds of times, people have actually asked me that there should be an English channel. We need an English channel as a community to connect with the larger world. There's so many topics, there's so many issues, there's so many different variety of issues which cannot be discussed in Urdu, for the simple reason that the kind of expertise, the kind of knowledge, the kind of perspective that is needed to discuss those issues is not necessarily available with the Urdu-speaking people. And even if we have the kind of right experts, there's so less a number, that expertise is so limited, especially when we come to perspective. So it's very important to have an English channel.